morning. I hope you are well. Today is the 7th of July 2025, and we have a workshop. So let me prepare to go to the workshop. I was lucky, I didn't have to call room service. I got this at the hallway. Is it the hallway or a corridor? But between the rooms. So today we're in Cape Town, the mother city. So I need to go downstairs to eat breakfast and then we go to the venue. The time is 10 minutes past 7, but it's still dark outside. Unfortunately, you won't see the mountain now because apparently there is a very beautiful view here. So behind you it's a table mountain basically, hopefully. But I will see that later on when we come back. Now let's go downstairs. I didn't bring a blazer and it's cold. Let me take this out and then leave. This building has 32 floors. And now we are going down. It's like high up in the sky. I've never been to this high building before.
Ground floor. Going up.
Breakfast finished. This hotel is rather nice. It's Paper Club. This is where the workshop will take place. Made it to the venue. Now we just need to set up and wait for the guests to come in. Now it's lunchtime, but what are we going to do? To distribute these goodie bags first and then go and eat lunch. What is my guy doing over there? done eating lunch. Now we're going back, you know. And this hotel, guys, I mean, I have been to hotels in Rosebank, Sentin, I mean, like fancy places, but this hotel, it's something else, you know. It's just that I didn't have an opportunity to see the rooms. Mara, I don't want to lie, it's very nice, you know. It's Pepper Club Hotel in Cape Town, Cape Town CBD. Spectacular. Now we go back in. Not sure where we are exactly between these three. Okay, it's this one. Royal Palm, third floor. There it is over there. Royal Palm. And that is the end of the program. I hope we go to the beach, you know, and show everyone from Limpopo and Johannesburg or Gauteng, you know. I want to show you how it looks like. I hope so. So, but if not, we're just going back to the hotel. Made it back to the hotel. Now we have to go inside. I want to show you something. Take a look at this. That, my friend, is a Table Mountain. However, there are clouds there, so unfortunately you can't see it properly, you know. But still, how many chances in life do you get to see this view? Okay, I just finished filming a video, you know, which is a room tour. So if you want to check it, you'll check it out on the playlist on YouTube. On Facebook, you'll just see it in part of my videos. I don't understand why Facebook changed all the videos into reels. Okay, but yeah, there's that. You will see the video. I'm going to upload it. Now, I think I must just sit down, you know. I'm quite tired because I slept very late at night yesterday. I'm quite tired, but I still have plenty of video editing to do, you know. So I'm just going to do that now. And then later on go and eat dinner. So yeah, that is it. That is it. That was my day. Yeah, I will see you when I go and eat dinner. Now let me go straight to work mode. And even if it's quite late, but here is the clearer view of the Table Mountain. Unfortunately, I couldn't go to the beach. And tomorrow, I mean, like, this is Cape Town, so I want to risk it and go for a run with my phone and show you the place, because they might take it. Even though this is CBD, I don't know if it's as dangerous, but Cape Town, I mean, like, you don't want to mess up. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you the entire place because I was just going to go around and show you the CBD. But no, I'm not taking that risk. Then that is your Table Mountain there, my friend. Even if it's quite dark for now, sorry for that. You know.